Okay, hi folks. Just a small stop on the way we're hiking upstairs. I wanted to show you what it looks like when you're having a snowstorm. Can you see it there?
And it's the Vuotseli Lake.
It's right here. It's snowing. It's about a kilometer, 2 kilometers from here. Sun is shining, but since it's spring,
And
you
by the
might
way,
get snow suddenly, all of a sudden.
Marika,
Yeah.
by the way, notice over the horizon there is that high mountain. It's on the. It's maybe it's this Finnish mountain or even the Russian.
Yeah, Mika is talking about the mountain right over there. It's probably the first mountain you can see that's on side of Russia. We are very close to our eastern neighbor.
30 kilometers.
Some 30 kilometers.